Welcome inside the incredible journey of sugar, from farm to factory. Everything begins in vast sugarcane farms, where millions of plants grow. Sugarcane stores natural sweetness inside its thick fiber.
Farmers carefully select fully matured crops for harvesting.
From raw sugarcane to refined sugar. Behind every grain is hard work. Modern machines harvest thousands of tons every single day. Massive trucks transport the raw material to factories. Millions of sugarcane sticks travel together toward processing plants. Every delivery is carefully recorded and weighed. The raw sugarcane is unloaded quickly. Weight measurement ensures production accuracy. The process begins immediately after cutting. Automated conveyors move cane into processing lines. Cleaning removes soil and impurities. Water pressure prepares cane for extraction. Now the real sugar-making process begins. Heavy rollers crush the sugarcane under enormous pressure. Raw sugar juice begins to flow out. Sharp cutters slice cane into small pieces.
This step helps release sweet juice easily.
Extraction happens in several stages. Factories reuse it to generate energy.
This mixture contains crystals and syrup.
Fresh, wet sugar is collected. Extra impurities are removed. Crystals gain uniform shine. Whitening creates refined sugar.
Freshness is essential for high-quality sugar production.
Inside the sugar factory, transformation begins.
Engineers supervise every stage.
This liquid contains natural sugar and plant residue.
Precision ensures maximum juice recovery.
Remaining fiber is called bagasse. Fresh juice travels through steel pipes. Lime is added to remove impurities. Heat treatment begins cleaning. Chemical balancing stabilizes the juice.
The liquid is collected for purification.
The juice becomes cleaner and lighter. Unwanted particles separate naturally.
Now it is ready for concentration.
Filters refine the liquid further. Impurities are removed carefully.
The liquid turns into sweet syrup.
Heat slowly thickens the juice. Water must be removed next. Vacuum pans help crystals grow evenly. Sugar molecules attach to seed crystals.
The mixture becomes grainy. Experts monitor crystal size carefully.
Controlled motion prevents clumping. White grains slowly appear.
Samples ensure uniform quality. Next comes separation. Centrifugal force will isolate sugar crystals.
Machines spin rapidly to separate syrup. Dark molasses exits through filters. Millions of grains now exist.
Every grain meets standards.
Technology ensures consistency. This step creates refined white sugar.
Cooling prevents clumping. Sugar is cooled after drying.
Machines measure dryness precisely. Besides that moistness stuff, controlled airflow protects quality. Each crystal dries evenly.
The sugar moves toward drying.
Drying begins to create usable sugar.
Precision prevents crystal damage.
Pure sugar crystals stay inside. The crystals turn bright and clean.
Color particles are filtered out.
Human inspection adds reliability.
Now the sugar looks familiar. Large silos store finished sugar.
Each crystal tells a story. Nature and technology combined.
Purity is scientifically verified.
Measured quantities fill each packet.
Bags are sealed securely.
Packaging begins automatically. Thousands of packets move every hour.
Incorrect packs are removed.
Hygiene ensures safety.
Purification removes impurities.
Water disappears, syrup forms.
Automation prepares distribution.
Phil, human effort powers the process.
Each bag is verified.
Finished sugar prepares for shipping.
Automation speeds distribution.
Separation reveals pure sugar.
Sugar connects farms to the world. Production never truly stops. Sweet treats depend on refined sugar. Drinks gain sweetness here.
Sugar moves toward markets.
Thousands of bags stored systematically.
Warehouse logistics begin.
Packages are secured for transport.
Hygiene ensures safety.
Brand labels are applied. Efficiency keeps production flowing. Millions of kilograms await packaging.
From farms to stores.
Sugar reaches suppliers. This is how millions of raw sugarcane are turned into sugar.
Global delivery completes the cycle.